In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money from the United States to Kenya on Remitly. To get started, open the Remitly app and sign into your account. If you're new to the platform, go ahead and create an account first, then complete any basic setup that Remitly requires. Once you're inside the app, take a moment to make sure you're sending from the United States, since that affects the transfer options, fees, and delivery methods available to you. At the top of the screen, tap the country selector and choose Kenya as the destination country. This step is important because it tells the app where the money is going and updates the transfer settings accordingly. After selecting Kenya, tap Send Money to begin the transfer process. Next, you'll choose the recipient. If the person you're sending money to is already saved in your contacts within Remitly, simply tap their name to continue. If they're not saved yet, tap New Contact and select their country as Kenya. Be careful when entering recipient information, because even small mistakes can delay the transfer or cause issues with delivery. After that, enter the amount you want to send. As you type in the amount, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any transfer fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive in Kenyan shillings. This is a good time to double-check the numbers so you know exactly what you're paying and what the recipient will get. Once the amount looks correct, select the delivery method. Depending on what Remitly currently supports for Kenya, this could include options like bank deposit, mobile money, or another available method. Choose the option that matches how your recipient wants to receive the funds. Then select your payment method. This is how you'll pay for the transfer, such as with a bank account, debit card, or another payment option available in your Remitly account. After choosing the payment method, tap Continue. From here, enter the recipient's account details based on the delivery method you selected. Make sure all the information is accurate before moving forward. A small typo in an account number or payment destination can cause delays, so it's worth reviewing everything carefully. Finally, follow the prompts on your screen to review and confirm the transfer. Before submitting, check the amount, recipient details, delivery method, and payment method one last time. Once everything is correct, complete the transfer and wait for the confirmation from Remitly. And that's how to send money from the United States to Kenya on Remitly.